Guys, it's Lulu Bella here, and I'm back with another video finally. I know I've been away for like 2 months, could be a little longer than that, but I promise I will try. I keep saying this, I've just been super busy, and you will be getting more videos over the next couple of weeks. I can say that much because I won't be as busy, but yeah. So I'm back with another spicy noodle video. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and yeah, comment down below. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey. Ooh. Okay. Thumbnail. Ooh. Okay. Sure. This one is a stew type, so instead of draining the water, you just put the stuff inside. It says add the liquid sauce and the powder. So this is the sauce. As you all know, you should have seen it before in other videos I've done. And this is the powder. I'm not sure what flavor this is. I didn't know. But yeah, the only difference between this one and the regular spicy noodle one is that you leave the water inside instead of draining it. Yeah. Wait, that's the powder. We got this first. So yeah, just stick the fork in there. So we open the thing. For once I successfully opened it without getting any on myself or anything like that. Let's pour it inside. Dark as usual. Just gonna get the rest here. Ah, shoot. Damn it. Spoke too soon. I got it on my pants and my shirts. And I'm gonna have to change after this. No, 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 no. So yeah. And I said I didn't. wasn't gonna get it on myself this time. I lied. So yeah, here's the powder. I put the liquid in it. Try not to spill it. You guys can see that. And then now I'll put the powder. This stuff. Don't try and read it. It's not in English. Unless you can read this language. If you can read what this says, comment down below. What kind of powder this is? I think I need a big one. make this because now I have to change my whole outfit. Okay, done with the powder. And we're going to mix it. Stir, 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 stir. Ugh. It says stir well. And that's what I'm doing. Yum. That's good. Now, as a disclaimer, I know everybody looks forward to my hiccups. I don't know if I'm gonna hiccup. We'll see what happens, okay? No, this tastes good though. And I'm hungry. Yum. I got stir fogged. When you're trying to... Do you see, guys see that? Every time I blow it, my glasses fog up. I can mess. As usual. No hiccups yet. There's not very much in here, so I don't know if I'm gonna hiccup. Oh shit. But whatever, my shirt's already dirty. I don't know what hiccuping. I don't think you guys are getting hiccups this time. Maybe I'm too used to this. Maybe I didn't eat fast enough. Maybe I talk too much. I don't know. At least you got a video. At least you got a video. At least you got a video. It's better than nothing. Not spicy though. I've had some comments before that I fake my hiccups. If I faked my hiccups, why didn't I hiccup in this video? When I know that's what people like to see for some reason, or hear, or whatever. Laugh at. Whatever floats your boat. If I faked my hiccups, I would hiccup in every single video. Maybe if I drink the sauce, I'll hiccup. That sounds very suicidal though. Oh, shit. Nothing. Eyes are watering now. So I put on minimal makeup today because in that hot wing video my makeup went all up in my eyes and all sorts of, I don't know, it was just bad. I'm done. Oh, my eyes are watering. I don't know if you guys can tell. Well, no hiccup, but you got a nice burp. That was big. Excuse me. That's not very ladylike. I don't care. So yeah. Sorry I didn't hiccup, guys. Yeah. My nose is running though. Oh, my belly's on fire. This is not gonna be nice later. Anyway, I have to go clean up all the spots that I got on there of sauce and then leave my house. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and click the like button, and yeah, comment down below. Sorry I didn't hiccup once again. I can't hiccup every video. I am not in control of them. Okay? Oh jeez. She's burping. No hiccups, just burps. Alright. I'll catch you guys later. See you in the next video. Bye, foodies.
You know you've got me hypnotized. I knew you had me when I looked into your eyes. And when you got me, you let me know that you were mine. Oh boy, when I looked in your eyes, I saw heaven. I was mesmerized, third dimension. You took me to another planet where only you and I can exist. Couldn't make up a feeling like this. When we alone, I feel nothing but bliss. Making love in our private abyss. Hypnotized by him.
Girl, you got me hypnotized. lost when I'm in them thighs. When I keep on going deep, got me mesmerized. Can't wait till you be my bride. You could be my body, baby, let me be your Clyde. Bring the heat, we'll make it harder than the summertime. Like a ownership for a car. Girl, your mind, there's no looking back, cause you know this is our time.
You know you've got me.